Hey everyone, David here from the Five and Dime, and I am finally getting a chance to use the new Chinoiserie transfer by Dixie Belle Paint Company. This is part of their new release that just came out recently, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is 4 sheets of rub-on transfers, and it features birds and branches and blossoms, and it's absolutely beautiful. One of the first things that I'll do when I have a new transfer that I'm going to use, and I'm not quite sure where I'm going to place it, is I'll start cutting out the pieces that I want to use. And then what I'll do is I'll actually tape them in place so I kind of map out a bit of a plan. Now, you'll notice that I actually take my painter's tape and I actually de-tack it a little bit by just placing it on my sweater. And that's just so I'm making sure that there's no way that that painter's tape is going to damage my surface that I'm applying it onto. So again, just cutting them out, getting a feel of where I want to put all the pieces and taping them up there, and then standing back, taking a look. And another idea too is stand back and take a picture so that you get more of a visual of looking at it to refer back to, and you can say, okay, well, that needs to be moved or this needs to be shifted. Once I was happy with how it looked, I started coming in and I, using the little burnishing tool that comes with it, started laying down the transfers. And it's a really simple method. All you're going to do is come in and you're going to burnish on top of the plastic, and you're going to, that will release the transfer onto the piece. And I like to make sure that I feel it out with my fingers as well to make sure that I am actually getting all the air bubbles and everything out of it as well. So just continuing across, and again, it's about that placement, so I will double check things and move things around a little bit just to make sure I got them in the right place before I remove the backing to place it down, because once you've removed the backing, that's where it's living. The great thing about this transfer as well is that because of the unique pieces that are in it, every design is going to be different. So it doesn't matter which artist use it, you're never going to find two alike. So it makes it very unique and makes it yours alone. A really important step on this is making sure it is burnished and attached to your piece really well. So I like to use a wadded up piece of cling wrap, and that is going to like just burnish it in place. And here's how it's looking so far. So stay tuned, follow along. There's more to come yet. All right, ciao.